I think we had a really good session today here at ONS. What we wanted to try and achieve, and I think we did achieve it, was to give the audience a flavour of some of the big developments that are going on in our industry to improve efficiency and reduce cost while maintaining quality and safety in our industry.
If you do things together and have harmonized solutions in standards, then it really can bring you a cost efficiency and of course an efficiency in the work you're doing.
Vi fortsetter med å utvikle standarder som hele industrien tar i bruk. Det er bare da vi kan greie å standardisere og industrialisere og ta ut verdien av det, som både går på kosteffektivitet, sikkerhet og pålitelig operasjon.
How are standards important for the oil and gas industry?
I do think they are fundamental to our industry and to every industry. They give you that guarantee that things have met a certain standard. And it's really important in our industry in particular, because the microscope is on our industry, to prove that we are designing, building and operating to a high quality and that people's lives and people's assets are not in danger.
For at vi i olje- og gassindustrien skal bli mer lik annen industri, og ikke ha så mye selskapsspesifikke krav som vi tradisjonelt har hatt, så må vi bruke og omforenes om bruken av standarder, for at våre leverandørkjeder kan få en forutsigbarhet og i større grad standardisere og industrialisere sine produkt og leveranser til oss, som da går på det samme som jeg nevnte i sted her, på sikkerhet, pålitelighet og kosteffektivitet.
The oil and gas industry is an industry on its own, a specific industry, and therefore it is needed that the value chain from the oil and gas industry is working together and making sure that they are doing the things they do in the right way, technically, process-wise, of course the safety-wise, but also in conjunction is what is needed from a legislative side and how can we support it and make sure that the needs, the requirements from the governments are being transferred in the right way instant to make sure that the requirements on a governmental side are being taken care of by doing the right things which are there in the standards.
What will be your focus in the future?
The focus in the future is around quality and trying to be a little bit more dynamic. Traditionally, these standards were produced as paper copies and would fill up a bookshelf. Now we have them as PDF-type copies, but we have opportunities now to work much more dynamically with the content of our standards. We can get rid of some problems we have at interfaces between standards, and we can also feed back data from our industries into the standards. So we might be specifying a certain safety level or a certain type of product, and if we can sort of get information back from the suppliers and from the users of those products, then we can refine, hopefully in an equally safe but more efficient way, how we develop those sorts of things in the future.
Things are happening in the future. Things will change towards the future. And what you see now from the oil and gas industry, that they're really stepping towards the energy transition, already very much involved in that. And I think that that's good, because the operators from the oil and gas industry need to step forward and to say, okay, what will be the energy needs in the future? And what can be done from knowledge and expertise from the oil and gas industry, but also what will be new developments, what could be made possible from the oil and gas industry. An example is CCUS, same as if you look at the possible production of hydrogen, for example. We don't know for sure if it will happen, but they do know what is needed from a platform design, for example, how to make that happen.
Sektorstyret er i ferd med å følge medlemmene fra olje- og gassindustrien inn i lavkarbon- og ny energisegmentet. Da vil det være viktig å bidra med å utvikle felles standarder. Så vi må i den industriutviklingen bli lik annen industri, ikke bli lik olje- og gassindustrien, den arven vi har med oss derfra, for at dette skal bli mulig å gjennomføre til det omfanget man ønsker. Og som alle rundt oss og samfunnet forventer at industrien skal gjøre.
What's been the highlight for you at ONS this year?
Actually, the first session I went to, it was a session with a number of experts talking about how they saw the near-term future, particularly with the spike we've got right now, the spike in energy prices.
It was my first time at ONS in general. For me, an important takeaway is good sessions.
Når du går her nede i disse hallene, så det jo overveldende å se alle disse gode firmaene da, som bidrar inn i denne industrien. Og det engasjementet rundt det her da, som jeg synes er mest imponerende. Da.